Welcome back to my channel. Is your hair falling everywhere, on your pillow, your clothes, even your hands when you touch your hair? Imagine stopping hair fall naturally, in just 7 days, with a simple secret remedy that also boosts visible hair regrowth, no chemicals, no expensive products, just nature working for you. Hair fall is a growing problem worldwide, often caused by stress, poor nutrition, pollution, and weak scalp health. But the good news? You don't need fancy treatments. Ancient natural ingredients can transform your hair from weak to strong. Today, I'll reveal a powerful 2-step natural routine. First, a consume pack to nourish your hair from the inside. Second, a hair growth toner to stop hair fall from the outside, with visible results in just 7 days. Step 1, Secret Hair Strengthening Consume Pack. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, methi, 2 tablespoons black seeds, kalonji, 15 to 20 fresh or dried curry leaves. Preparation: dry roast fenugreek seeds, black seeds, and curry leaves on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not burn them, just lightly roast until fragrant. Let them cool completely. Grind all ingredients into a fine powder. Store in an airtight container. How to use: take 1 teaspoon of this powder daily. Consume with lukewarm water or milk every morning, empty stomach for best results. Benefits: strengthens hair roots internally. Provides essential nutrients for hair growth. Fights deficiencies behind weak hair. Improves scalp blood circulation naturally. Step 2, Hair Growth Toner for fast visible results. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, methi, 1 tablespoon black seeds, kalonji, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon dry rosemary leaves, 1 glass water. 1 teaspoon glycerin for softness and frizz control. Preparation: add fenugreek seeds, black seeds, curry leaves, and rosemary leaves to 1 glass of water. Boil for 10 minutes on low flame. Allow to cool completely. Strain the water. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin and mix well. Pour into a spray bottle. How to use: spray directly onto your scalp daily. Massage gently for 5 minutes. No need to rinse, it is a lightweight, leave-in formula. Visible results in just 7 days. Noticeable reduction in hair fall. Softer, shinier, and frizz-free hair with glycerin. New hair regrowth starts with consistent use. Stronger, healthier scalp without chemicals. Follow this simple 2-step routine daily for just 7 days. Nourish your hair from inside with the consume pack and strengthen your scalp from the outside with the hair growth toner. You'll notice less hair fall, stronger roots, and the first signs of new hair growth naturally. Thank you for watching.